DJM TV.
Lasubeb wan start Echo 200 poems. My correct person there, I welcome you to DJM TV daily news update, where we dey give you happenings wey dey around our state and our country and even the continent at large. The matter wey we carry come today na something wey dey very encouraging for primary school students of public and state-owned schools for Lagos State. The Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, don collabo with Artwas Communication and other arts boards dem to launch the first edition of the Lagos Schools Poetry Festival wey dem dey call Echo 200 Poem, an anthology of nursery poems. Dis na one program wey dey say e go help build the poetic nature of the children. E go help them catch the poets among the public school students young. Una know say the best time when they'll take discover talent for anybody now when the person is still small. Anyway, the chairman of Lasubeb, Mr. Wahab, don say the festival na part of the effort of the Lagos State government to provide all-round education when go involve and advance the 3 domains of learning when they call cognitive, affective, and psychomotor of every pupil for Lagos State. The chairman of Lasubeb don also explain say the poetry festival dey aimed at bringing to birth the literary discussion for public school and to encourage creative thinking towards the production of beautiful rhythmic nursery rendition wey go reflect our local values and characters. He tok say all these poems dem wey these children dey go write, they go gather dem put them together for one book. At least occur recommend that as a collection of nursery poems for our schools based on say na local poems wey we go fit use to replace the poems that we get from abroad, like all those twinkle twinkle little star, all those ones I saw a little bird, all those kind of poems. Say if our children they fit bring their own poems then come, it go help Nigerian to get collection of nursery poems when they write by children. He also told say the festival not only to encourage creative thinking among these children, say but now also to build their reading and speaking skills, as the writing of this poem go inspire them to practice creating of new stories through rhymes where they go fit call their own. Mr. King reveal say the theme of the festival na My Lagos, the today, the tomorrow. And say the thing require pupils to write about their Lagos story and to paint their vision for Lagos through words. And he note and say na competition this thing be and the competition dey open for pupils from primary 3 to primary 6 for public schools across the state. For one briefing, the project coordinator, Mr. Ola Awakan, say the initiative dey born out of the need to identify future scholars among the children dem. He said we wan create poems wey we go fit connect with our environment and at the same time use to bring out the talent wey dey inside all these our children dem. Say him believe say the children they fit do great things.
Business skills among our problems. It will bring them out of their shells to be able to interact both locally and internationally. It has impact on their written prose. It is a great contest for learning to draft, edit, and improve written work.
It is January 25th to February 26th. They are meant to send in their entries. We will receive and pick the best 200, and at the end of it, they will all be certified. They would also get copies of the book. And then away from that, in the long run, we intend to also create an app that will have the best 50 of the poems that will be recorded. We'll go to audio recording and video recording, so that they will be able to replace their poems written by them by the likes of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and all those foreign poems that do not have, cultural alignment with our own society.
They are rising stars. They are future poets. And we can't identify them from the beginning. That's why we want to catch them young. You can use art to tell so many stories. We are equally calling on well-meaning Nigerians, to support us in identifying, rising stars, in our, literary work.
He say although the children go fit do great things, but they need guidance so that they go fit showcase their talents very well. He said the collection of the winners of the competition, they go publish am and distribute am to everybody wey participate for the contest. Our can express a positive mind, say superb go embrace some of the poems and go come put am for school curriculum for the future. The way they do this competition I be this. They say each public school for Lagos go send their 2 best entries. That means say each schools go fair hold their own competition within themselves. They don't call select the best 2 from inside. They'll call send those best 2 people come for the semi-final of the competition. Superb chairman Mr. Wahab said the competition go provide basic education wey dey relevant to the culture of the hosting communities. According to wetin he still talk, he say this echo 200 poems so when we not just look down on am, say if he produce future stars like Professor Wole Soyinka, they are kind of people, they are the Chinua Achebe. He say we go continue to dey promote holistic education by bringing out the best for inside our children, and we go try to catch them young by identifying the young poets. They say the competition go start on the 25th of January and it go close on the 26th of February. Now so Lagos State say they won't do am. I wanna see, and to me I feel say this na better move because not bole to the give winners of all these other competition the way you do for TV prize. To the anything where they encourage the education of the children, it good. This one na a way to show say pikin if not good for maths, or if not good for English, but it good for all these art subjects. Poem, it go make the pikin get confidence for himself, say at least he get wetin I still dey good in. How you see this matter? Drop your comment for the comment section. Don't forget to like and to share this video to everybody. Tell your people they make them go subscribe to DJM TV. My name is Lawuro Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.